welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Roshni BM, studying Information Science and Engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My USN is 1VE23IL044 and my subject for today's video is Introduction to Python Programming and its code is BPLCK205B. And my topic for today's video is Medical Imaging Analysis. My video contains why Python is suitable to develop this application, benefits of using Python, Python data structure used in this application, Python libraries used in this application, and also some other special features of Python used in this application. Coming to what is medical imaging analysis? Medical imaging analysis refers to the process of interpreting and extracting meaningful information from medical images to aid in diagnosis, treatment planning, and monitoring of various medical conditions. Why Python is used rather than C and Java to develop this application? While C and Java are powerful and widely used programming languages with their own strengths and applications, Python's simplicity, versatility, rich ecosystem, and community support make it particularly well suited for developing medical imaging analysis applications that require rapid prototyping, complex data processing, machine learning capabilities, and seamless integration with healthcare systems and technologies. Benefits of using Python to develop image analysis. User-friendly syntax. Python's straightforward code enhances development speed and clarity. Tools like NumPy and OpenCV provide robust image processing and machine learning capability, which means Python has specialized libraries. Python's versatility accommodates various programming styles and integrates well with other languages. It means it can be adapted to various circumstances. Python-based applications are compatible across different operating systems. This shows how versatile it is. Python's web frameworks enable seamless integration with healthcare platforms and data systems. It means it has a huge web connectivity. Python data structures used in the development of medical imaging analysis. NumPy arrays, efficient for storing and manipulating multidimensional imaging data. List and tuples, used for sequences of file names, metadata, or extracted features. Dictionaries, manage key value pairs of image properties or algorithm parameters. Sets, store unique identifier for image regions or features. Python libraries used in this application. NumPy for handling multidimensional image data and mathematical operations. OpenCV, comprehensive toolkit for image processing and computer vision tasks. SciPy extends NumPy with advanced scientific computing modules. Simple ITK interface to ITK for segmentation, registration, and feature extraction. Scikit-Image offers algorithms for image enhancements, filtering, and feature detection. Scikit-learn tools for machine learning, classification, and clustering. Matplotlib and Seaborn for creating visualization of medical images and data. Pandas, data structures and tools for data manipulation and analysis. ITK, toolkit for advanced image analysis, segmentation, and registration. Other special features for using Python in the development of medical imaging analysis are interactivity, interactive shell for rapid prototyping and experimentation. Modularity encourages code organization, reusability, and maintainability. Expressive syntax enables concise and readable code for complex tasks. Exception handling, robust mechanism for error identification and resolution. Concurrency, support for multi-threading and multi-purposing for performance optimization. Integration, seamless integration with external libraries and APIs. Documentation and testing, built-in tools for comprehensive documentation and testing. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more interesting and exciting videos from my side. Signing off by Roshni Pia.